Hello and welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. Today's meditation, we are going to focus on renewal of our body physically. We're going to just run through some systems. We're going to do some talking to it and renewing it and appreciating it. So as always, we start with the Lord's Prayer. Forgot the chimes. And the prayer of protection. Why? Because I don't do anything without that. Then most of this meditation will be guided. There really won't be time for a quiet part, but just allow your mind to move with the words and feel those parts of your body being rejuvenated and appreciated. And so there actually wouldn't be a need for the chimes that I just reached for. And then we close with the 23rd Psalm, as always. So let's take a deep breath. And as you exhale, close your eyes and begin to relax. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Let us just take a deep breath again and invite our bodies to relax and let go. We're going to notice that above our heads and right at our third eye, which is on our forehead between our eyebrows, is a slight sensation. This is where the divine energy connects us to the whole and continuously feeds us all that we need. Let us follow that stream into our head. And as that beautiful light and energy enters into our head, notice how behind our eyes begin to relax. These little tight spools of muscles release and let go. Our eardrums relax and absorb this beautiful energy and light. The little tiny hair-like follicles in our ear, they begin to move freely, renewing themselves, rejuvenating from this beautiful light. Our sinuses are clear, are rejuvenated, are made strong as this beautiful light flows into our throat, strengthening our thyroid, moving into our chest, right to our lungs, one of the main pieces of our respiratory system. What a wonderful piece of equipment, moving the red blood cells through our body for us. And our heart, moving quickly all of the blood through every little vessel, pumping it through for us. Feel both these organs relax and allow this beautiful energy to absorb into them and have a sense of appreciation. As we move into our trunk, all the other organs, the kidneys, the liver, the gallbladder, all being revitalized, the reproductive organs, the colon, small intestine, stomach, There is so much to be amazed at and appreciate. So let us just allow that light to flow up and down throughout our trunk, revitalizing and stimulating all the organs, strengthening those that might be weak, enhancing those that are already strong, and replacing those that have been removed with a strong energy field so the body still functions in balance. Let us move now into our legs and appreciate and allow this beautiful energy to vibrate through the muscles and the bones. Feel them relaxing and tightening as the muscles become stimulated. Into the knees, feel this beautiful light lubricating the joints, lubricating our ankles, strengthening them, and down to our feet. And appreciation for every single toe. Let the light flow. Let us move into our immune system. You don't need to know exactly where these systems are. Just feel the immunity system in your body strengthening. Appreciate how it protects and defends you against illness, along with the lymphatic system that holds any of the toxins, keeping them away from the rest of your body. Allow it to be lubricated and move smoothly. Our circulation system traveling through every tiny part of our body to every cell. The respiratory, the digestive, extremely strong, how our stomach functions all of the food and turns it into nutrients through this whole system. Feel this light stimulate up and down your spine, nourishing the nervous system. Just watch it light up from the top of your head, right down your spine and back up again. A few times, stimulate the nervous system. It does so much consciously and unconsciously for us, as do all the systems. And let us be appreciative of our skin. Our skin that underneath the top layer that we see are several more layers just waiting to replace the cells as they fall off or get injured. Always rejuvenating our outer body, always protecting us, holding us. Let us wrap our skin in this beautiful light and be grateful and appreciative of it. And now let's just see that huge stream of energy flowing through our entire body. Imagine it just rapidly going through your lungs, your heart, all the systems you can think of. Just see them flowing, this beautiful light, filling you so much that it's hard to distinguish. moving out into your skin, knowing that we're always being cared for, always being renewed. We close with thanks with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Thank you for joining me this morning. I hope you enjoyed that revitalization of our body. And stop by and visit me at www.intointuition.com. I'd love to see you there. Have a beautiful and great day. Bye-bye.